Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Toyota GT86. Now this is a very popular sports car, obviously very well known for its performance, fantastic 50-50 weight distribution. This is a lovely car. Now this particular example, you can tell, has been truly cherished by the previous owners. It's not been raced and rallied, it's not been driven around in anger, so you can tell the front bumper, that's in very nice order, so it's not riddled with stone chips. Looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. All the panels are nice and straight. That goes for the driver's side as well as the passengers. All the alloys are in nice condition. We're riding on these 17-inch multi-spoke alloys, obviously lightweight, diamond turned, so they still look very good. They've never no large curbing marks on those. You can tell all four alloys are in nice order. Sporty styling, so we've got the addition of this lovely boot lip spoiler, dual exhausters at the back, nice little burble to that as well, nice lower diffuser. Looking through to the boot, you've got quite a bit of luggage space in the rear for a sports car, and then down here you'll find a space saver spur wheel with all the kit to change it as well. Jumping inside then, we've got a half leather and Alcantara sport seat, nice supported bolsters. Looking at the actual centres of the seat, they're in nice order, very minimal wear to the bolsters. Looking through to the rear seats, you can tell they're in nice order. They look like they've barely been sat in. Isofix in the bottom there for your child seats. Jumping inside then, you're greeted with this leather multifunction steering wheel. So on there's all your volume and media controls. You've got automatic windows, park folding mirrors, mirror lock, central lock-in, boot opening. You've got your cruise control, automatic lights, wipers are on the other side. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 37,647 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through then to the centre display, we've got our media. So this is a full DAB radio, so you've got all the extended channels, obviously Bluetooth phone as well. You've got navigation capabilities on this vehicle. We've got dual zone climate control, aux and USB, push button start, 6-speed manual transmission. You've got traction control, and then you've got traction control and track mode. Heated front seats, central armrest in superb order. You'll find both keys are plopped in there. We've got cup holders as well. But inside it's not been smoked in, but a lovely cabin to be sat inside of. So if you'd like anything further on the vehicle, please do get in touch. We're just about to throw the car into the showroom, so if you think of coming down, you'll see it nice and dry. But if you'd like any more information, you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.